Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I upload videos regarding gardening, DIY home decor ideas and other random stuff. And if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribe button before watching this video. Let's move further. So in this video, I'm sharing 7 DIY decor ideas for your balcony or garden space. So first is DIY plant stand. For this you need 4 to 5 mango crates. You can also use plastic one. Just make any arrangement which you want and you can also fix them. But I'm going to change the pattern after some time so it works well as it is for me. And now just place your favorite planters or whatever you have. And second is DIY vertical garden. For this you need these kind of wooden frames or something which can hold planters. You can easily find this kind of stuff very easily or maybe in your storeroom. Just check it out. We have already fixed these tightly on wall. That's it. Then all you need is a hook planter and obviously plants. Here I have used money plant and creeping inch plant. Just arrange all the planters. Trust me, this looks so good and just try this out. So DIY third is tawa nameplate. For this you all need is old tawa and paint it with any color. Then write whatever you want to. It looks so good hanging on the wall. Just try it out. And fourth is DIY tire planter. For this you need a tire. Paint the tire with any color of your choice. And then put one planter inside it. And place it near your sitting place in your garden. It absolutely looks superb, and try it out, you will love it. And fifth is DIY planter. I have this old matka. Make sure to drill a hole underneath. Now paint it with any color of your choice. Here I am planting this baby snake plant in this now. And it turns out really good and cute. And sixth is DIY hanging matka planter. For this you need 4 small size matkas. Paint them with pastel colors. For hanging you need jute rope and wooden stick. Pot them with your favorite plants. That's it, hanging planters are ready. And seventh or last is DIY bird cage planter. I have made complete different video on this. First check this out. It looks so good hanging with other planters. And before you leave, make sure to subscribe, like, share and goodbye. Thanks for watching.